In this video, I will show you exactly how to add a hyperlink to your projects in CorelDRAW. This feature is perfect for creating interactive designs where you want objects or text to lead directly to a website. To get started, we first need to enable the specific tools required for web interaction. Move your mouse up to the top menu bar and select the Window menu. From there, navigate down to the Toolbars option, and then click on Internet. Once you select this, a small specialized toolbar will appear somewhere on your workspace. You can leave it floating or dock it wherever you find it most convenient. Now that our tools are ready, the second step is to assign the actual link. Use your Pick tool to click on the specific object, shape, or block of text that you want to transform into a clickable link. If you prefer using shortcuts, you can quickly activate the Pick tool by pressing the spacebar on your keyboard. With your object successfully selected, look over at the Internet toolbar we just opened. You will see a box specifically designated for the destination address. This is where you will type in the full website address, or simply paste the path you have already copied from your web browser. Make sure you include the entire address, so the link functions correctly when exported. By following these simple steps, you can turn any static graphic into a functional gateway to online content. It is a fantastic way to add professional functionality to digital brochures or portfolio pieces. Just remember to keep that Internet toolbar handy whenever you are working on interactive layouts. This process is quick and efficient, ensuring that your design not only looks great, but also provides a seamless experience for anyone viewing your final exported file.